Previously, I gave you some questions as your home task. What are the questions? Like in the first and second questions. Can you remember? X minus a into x minus b is our f of x. We need to find f dash of x. Previously, how you have found this? Multiply that and you found that. Now, when you are seeing this, after learning the product rule, now tell me, is it necessary to multiply? uv. What is u? What is v? This is u, this is v. Okay. So, v u dash plus u v dash. So, now v u dash, v is x minus b, u dash. This we have to derive it. Okay. So, this we are deriving means this has two terms. Okay. What is derivative of this x? 1. Derivative of this a? Yes, 0, constant. Okay. Plus u v dash. U is what? X minus a. V dash. This we need to derive. 1 minus 0. This is derivative of x is 1. B is a constant. Derivative of constant is always 0. Then we have x minus b plus x minus a as our answer. Got it? Because 1 minus 0 is 0, right? No. 1 minus 0 is 0, is it? 1, 1. Is that 11? Then that is it. We can add this. Then our answer is 2x minus a minus b. Have we got the same answer? Previously also. The next question. 5x cube plus 3x minus 1. X cube plus 3x, what is it? 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. See, initially what you done to derive this? Multiply. Now we learned product rule. Now this should be, how it should be visible to you? It's a product of two functions, which is in terms of x. Okay. So this is u I am taking, this is v I am taking, either way we will take. Okay. Now f dash of x. Formula we will write once, not a problem. Okay. Doing that initially only, we will write the formula. Don't overstep as it is. This itself overstep only. Sometimes we have to write d by dx of that not. Then here v u dash, v comes first, plus u v dash. Okay. Now v is what, man? X minus 1. U dash, derivative of this function. Yes. 15. Superman, 15x square. Plus 3. Minus 1, is it? Derivative of 1. Constant. Derivative of a constant is 0. It will vanish. Okay. So, v u dash done. Plus u v dash. What is u? x cube plus 3x minus 1 is our u. V dash. You have to derivate this and tell me. Derivative of x. 1 minus derivative of this 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 0 again, right? 1. Good. Then that is it. This alone we have to multiply and we have to simplify. That is all. So I will multiply this 2 what you will get is 15x cube plus 3x minus 15x cube minus 3, sorry 15x square minus 3 and plus 5x cube plus 3x minus 1. Add the like terms. We have 20x cube and then no x square after that minus 15x square plus 6x minus 4. Is this the answer what we got from previously? Yes, you only did. Same answer, right? Using what rule? Okay, then that must be wrong. What you got? Is that minus 6x? Question different, I think. Here minus 3x I gave it to you, I think. Huh? Then the answer is wrong. For that question it is correct. For this question this is the answer. Okay. And then the next one, x power minus 4 into 3 minus 4x cube. Oh, sorry, x power minus 5. Now tell me how to find derivative of this function. First we will write it is f of x. What is u? What is v? Will finish. Then f dash of x. Yes. v u dash plus u v dash. Okay. And b is what? 3 minus 4 x power minus 5. Then u dash. Minus 4 x power. Hey, Superman. You improved a lot. Good. Then u. As it is b dash 0 minus 16. So that is minus 20. Minus 20 x power minus. Okay, super. And then this 4 x power minus 5 has to be multiplied inside. We'll multiply that. That is 4 3s are 12. Minus 12 x power minus 5. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 x power minus 10. Then here that is plus. Plus 20 x power minus 10. Got it? Then our final answer is like terms we have. Right. What is that 6? 4 into minus 6. Okay. That is minus 10. Now like terms we can add, that is minus 12 x power minus 5 plus 36 x power minus 10. Is this the answer what we got previously? Minus 12 x power minus 5 plus 36 x power minus 10. Man, this question you done already, remember? Sorry, this question. Same. Okay. We don't like in the either way we can do. Okay. See, in this question, if you multiply and derive means that would be easy. Easy or not? Instead of applying product rule, this you multiply and do it means easy. But this question, instead of multiplying, you use product rule means this question will be easy. So this differentiation is all about decision making. We have to choose a good decision. We have to make a good decision so that we may have to make things easy. Time in a short time we have to complete. That like you have to choose a decision. Okay, make a decision. Yes, got it. These are all things like in both ways possible. Your intuition should say, okay, if you're multiplying this means it takes long. Better we'll go with UV formula. See, if you do it UV formula means it will take much time. Better we'll multiply this and simplify. If you multiply this and simplify means within 2 steps you will get the answer. This much not needed. But here multiplication requires lot time. Okay, got it? Shall I erase everything? No, you already completed all this question, right? The thing is, you have to complete the same question using product rule. Okay. Now, we'll solve some more examples. Another example. 3 examples we done, right? Differentiate. Example 4. What man? This is new one. X plus secant x into x minus tan x. Okay. What we can do about this? First, let us take this as f of x. No. If you multiply, you will get 4 terms. That will get product of 2 functions. See, x into x square easy. X into tan x. For that one UV you have to apply. Let us multiply. See, you are telling that you can multiply, right? We will multiply and see what happens. Okay. So that is x square minus x tan x plus x secant x minus secant x tan x. To derive this, directly formula available. To derive this, UV formula we have to apply. To derive this, another UV formula we have to apply. To derive this, another UV formula we have to apply. That's a bad decision, is it? Though we got the answer, like it takes much time. Like I told you in the previous section, is it? You have to choose wisely. At least after writing this also, you have to revise, realize, okay, this requires lots of time. But we'll do it as it is. So then, instead of doing this, I am choosing this as U, this as V. So f dash of x, one time UV applied means enough. V U dash, what is V? First we will write, it is V U dash plus U V dash. What is V? X minus tan x. That is it. U dash. This one we have to derive. Derivative of x. 1. Secant x into tan x. Got it? Plus U into x minus secant x. V dash 1 minus 1 minus derivative of tan x. Not x, derivative of tan x. What is derivative? Secant square x. That is it. Only one time we applied UV. That's all. Now these two we can multiply and we will finalize the answer. Okay. See, after this we have to apply any formula. Differentiation formula. Again UV we will apply here, right? No need. Your mind will say like that, I know. See, here we derived, that's all. Remember the steps involved in differentiating. Simplification, differentiation, after that the derivative you have to simplify, that's all. After applying the formula, we should be thinking only about simplifying this. Differentiation formula has to be applied only once. After that, only simplification we have to do. Okay. Now this one we have to simplify or differentiate. Simplify. Okay. Simplify means we'll multiply everything. That is x plus x secant x tan x minus tan x minus secant x tan square x. Then here we have to multiply. That is plus x minus x secant square x minus secant x, minus into minus plus secant cube x, and plus, hey, that's all. Then add like terms. Any like terms do you find? No, only x plus x. So it is 2x and x and this x and this x I added, then plus secant cube x we will write. Secant cube x I wrote. Then power 2 anything is there? No. Secant x is there. Sorry, here x secant square x. And then that is all. Minus secant x tan square x. This term written. This term written. And then x secant x, sorry, minus secant x. Then minus 1 we will write. Secant x I took it as common. Okay. And then that is it. Everything, right? X secant x tan x, did I wrote? Yes. Minus, hey, minus secant square x tan square x, that is that I took secant square x. This term I didn't take. So this from this also I take secant x common, then x tan x. That is all. Otherwise we may take tan x common. It differs question to question. From these two terms also we can take sec x common. Based on the option, what is required we can do. Got it? See, here they gave like only up to this step they stopped. See, now we are going to identify which is product, which is not. So this is your example. This is example 5. You just tell me what rule has to be applied. Okay, whether it is product rule or simply that what algebra, addition, subtraction. Okay, we have to use product rule or not, you just tell me. The first subdivision, which is sin x cos x. Product rule applied. We have to apply product rule or directly we can do? Directly. Okay. Open your eyes and see. What about the second subdivision? Directly or product rule? That one you are thinking right now. Okay. Directly. This also you said directly. This also you said directly. Then in which we have to apply the product rule? 5 sin x plus 6 cos x plus 7. Think. Come on. Oh, there are 10 questions, man. Okay, up to this is enough. Cosec x cot x and then secant x minus 1, secant x plus 1. First one UV, good. First one is not direct mean, UV. That is why I am giving you this kind of examples. See, this one product rule or not? Sin x1 function, cos x1 function, they are in product, so product rule. Here, direct. How you can do directly? 5, 4 and all there. Phi is what? Phi is what, man? Currently, if remember, no. If constants is alone means derivative is 0. That is where people get confused. Constant is alone here, or is anybody is accompanying it? Yes. See, we can't beat the person who is comes with the power, who comes with the support. We can beat him if he is alone. Shall we beat this 6 here? Make it 0. Cos x will support him. Okay. Now tell me this one, product or direct? Product or direct? You said both options. What I will choose? Directly. Okay. And this one, product rule. This one, product rule. This one, product. This one, direct. See, focus here. This is x square plus 1 into cos x. X square plus 1 is one function, cos is different function. Okay. UV. What is U? What is V? We'll choose. Okay. Got it? Have you finished writing everything? Finish writing this first. After finishing, say answer for this one and this one. Also this one. Right now you have to do, man.